Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is the pre-launch of the launch of the Enerjet Minotaur model rocket kit. Now this is a very cool looking rocket kit. This is what I'd call a semi-scale kit, a quasi, proto, whatever, something scale kit. It's not really a scale kit, but it's designed to look like an actual rocket, even though it's not really based on any one in particular. But as you can see, it has really cool detailing, really cool decals. I have a review of this video of this, the construction and the unboxing of this rocket elsewhere on my channel. A really cool design part is these boosters. These are all for show, however. One thing, so it's made by Enerjet, produced by Enerjet, which is like a part of Aerotech, which is a little bit more well known. Aerotech makes like mid to high power rocket motors, and then they have Enerjet, which makes their as like the Enerjet by Aerotech motors are the ones that are like more mid power. Now I actually don't have any of those at hand, so I'm gonna be launching it on a E12-6 motor, which is by Estes. Now, the interesting thing about this rocket is it does come with an adapter for these 24 millimeter. Like the main motor mount is for the 32, or sorry, the 27, 28 millimeter, like the Estes F motors. But I have a 24 millimeter motor in right now. And it does come with an adapter for it, but the adapter is short and it's designed for the like Estes D length motors, not the E length ones, which are a little bit longer. So as you can see, I've sort of jerry rigged this to be on, and that's just some clear Scotch tape. So we'll see if that holds. But I mean, it's a couple layers. It seems sturdy enough. Figuring out how to get it out after we're done launching it will be another story. That's not a worry right now. We're just gonna launch this thing and hopefully get a really cool looking launch. So let's get on with it.
2, 1. What is going on? 3, 2, 1. Oh shoot. Why you go that way?
Okay, everyone, you guys just saw the first and unfortunately final flight of the Enerjet Minotaur. That's why I have the box here, not the rocket. As you saw, it flew pretty well. The E engines are really always a cool engine. Or motors, sorry, they always fly really long. It's a pretty nice flight. But as you saw, it had a fairly ballistic trajectory. I mean, it really went like right off the pad. It kind of made a turn, which interestingly is the second time that a rocket I've launched using a E12-6 motor from that same pack has veered off onto a ballistic trajectory. And so that's most likely weather cocking or builder error. The first time it was with TSP Excelsior, which was a rocket I designed myself. So I just chalked it up to, a poor design. But it should be an issue for a kit designed rocket, but maybe there was some builder error, or more likely it was just like weather cocking. Something like that. I mean, there's potential. It was an issue with the motor. This happened twice. The Estes E motors, I've noticed, are fairly prone to having manufacturing errors. But usually that results more in a Kato or something than, you know, like I guess a misaligned nozzle could cause like a rocket to really veer off, but it's more than likely just weather cocking. But besides that, yeah, unfortunately the rocket wasn't able to be recovered. We really thought like it came down and we really thought it just missed the tree line. We thought we could have gotten it. We get over there, it is like we just look everywhere for it. We look through the bush. It's like 100 degrees out. It's horrible. It's humid, and we just cannot find the rocket whatsoever. So unfortunately this kit was lost, which is really unfortunate. This was a very fun build. Um, and it's a very cool looking kit. I mean, it was just I really enjoyed the build and the kit all around. So it's an unfortunate loss, but that's just how it has to be, I guess. That's just rocketry. Um, but yeah, besides that, um, I don't really have much more to say. It flew well. Well, I guess I can't really say it flew well. It veered quite a bit off course, but it looked really good. It's a very good looking kit. Enerjet, both the Aerotech kits that I built have been very pleasant building experience. So I will recommend. And I mean, yeah, it just looked really cool, as you could see from the earlier half of the video. And that's about all I have to say. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. I'll have more launches, more aerospace content, all that sort of thing. So if you enjoy, then keep on watching, like and subscribe, comment if you have any thoughts. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.